Welcome to our YouTube channel with you. Today we are going to discuss about some important SSC exam questions. Let's see the question. Which Indian folk dance is also known as sword dance? Ras. It's from Gujarat. Which American newspaper is nicknamed as the Grey Lady? The New York Times. Which countries are separated by the Tsushima Strait? Japan and Korea. Which writer was called by George Orwell as the prophet of British imperialism? Rudyard Kipling. Which Indian city is also known as Leather City? Kanpur. Which national leader is the author of Warning of the History Trends in Modern India? K.M. Munshi. The term cashiering is associated with which field? It's related to military degradation especially. Which Indian revolutionary's biography is From My Bones? G.S. Dillon. Name the chemical compound also known as witherite used in rat poisons. Barium carbonate. Which European city is known as the capital of freedom? Budapest, that is in Hungary. Which is the highest civilian award of Nepal? Nepal Ratna Man Padavi. Who is known as the grand old man of Indian cricket? Professor D.B. Deodhar. Which cricket tournament is known as One Day Ranji Trophy? Vijay Hazare Trophy. Which Indian oil company's former name was Bharat Refineries Limited? Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. The rivers of Narmada, Tapti, Mahi and Sabarmati drains into which gulf? Gulf of Cambay. Where is the headquarters of the Micromax company located? Gurugram. Which fruit is known as the Persian apple? Peach. What is the frequency of alternating current used in India? It is 50 Hz. Antipyretics are the medicines that is used to lower body temperature. Which is the first country in Asia to have the large scale industrialization? Japan. Pahlavi dynasty is related to which country? Iran. Which chemical is present in cigarette smoking which causes cancer? Benzene. Who was the first ruler in the history to advocate conservation measures for wildlife protection? Emperor Ashoka. Which region of the earth experiences maximum chemical weathering? That is in equatorial region. Which is the longest continuously operating hotel in Asia? Great Eastern Hotel, which is in Kolkata. In which financial year was the railway finance separated from general finance? That is in 1924-25. Who stated that Indian farmer is born in debt, live in debt and dies in debt? Professor M.L. Darling. Which place is known as the cradle of Indian architecture? Aihole, which is in Karnataka. Which is the important tribal martial dance of Eastern India? Chow dance. Name the only tribal leader whose portrait hangs in the Central Hall of Indian Parliament. Birsa Munda. Which former Indian Prime Minister's autobiography is Matters of Discretion and Autobiography? I.K. Gujral. Who was the only US president to serve 2 non-consecutive terms in office? Grover Cleveland. The pass which connects Kabul with Peshawar is Khyber Pass, that is located in Hindu Kush mountain range. Which mountain range is known as Pariyatra Parvata in Sanskrit and Caucasus Indicus in ancient Greek, that is also Hindu Kush. A ring-shaped coral reef including a coral rim that encircles a lagoon partially or completely is known as an atoll. Which organization is known as the Environmental Commandos? The Greenpeace. Which viral disease is known as the Cassandra forest syndrome or Cassandra forest disease? It is monkey fever. Which organization's motto is Dharmo Rakshati Rakshatiya? That is, Dharma protects those who protect Dharma. That is RAW, Research and Analysis Wing. Which country has recently declared that the broadband service as a fundamental right? Finland. Which was the first Malayalam film to win the national award? Neelakuil. With which country India has the maximum foreign trade? China. Which financial institution was established on the recommendation of Shivaraman Committee? NABARD. Which was the first foreign country to publish Sri Narayana Guru's stamp? Sri Lanka. Which book is considered as the Bible of Bengali nationalism? Anandamath. Who is the first woman Chief Information Commissioner of India? Deepak Sandhu. Which Sikh Guru set up the Golden Temple in Amritsar? Guru Arjan Singh. Who established the Hindustan Republican Army? Sachin Sanyal. During the reign of which king was the Nalanda University established? Kumaragupta. Which state is known as the Milk Pail of India? Haryana. Which is South India's first high altitude cricket stadium? Krishnagiri, that is in Wayanad district of Kerala. Hope you all are safe and studying these questions very well. With you, your education mentor. Thank you.